food chain, again, magsugod siya sa producer. Producers are the plants. Then, kanon siya og animals, they are called the consumers. So, si consumers pwede kanon sa another consumers. So, si another consumers, kanon na po another consumers, hantod sila ma-dead, mapatay, then kanon na dayon sila lastly sa decomposer. So, scavengers and decomposers are the end link of the food chain. So, what are these organisms? Sila na ang tigkaon sa mga namatay na ng mga plants and animals. So, they are like bacteria and fungi until namubalik sila pagka soil, no? So we have here examples of scavengers or decomposers. We have crows, vultures, hyenas, ants, worms, and crabs. Okay? So now, on the other hand, ang food web is similar lang siya sa food chain. However, si food web is a combination of many food chains, no? So kung makita diha no XX na ang mga arrows kay pwede man pud si frog mukaon kang grasshopper nya si grasshopper pwede siya kanon ni bird. So complicated siya, daghan siya. It is a combination of many food chain. So in this example, food web figure number 1, again magsugod ta kang grasses are the producer, si grass, pwede ka uno ni mouse, pwede ka uno ni grasshopper, pwede ka uno ni rabbit. So here makita nato si grasshopper, pwede ka uno ni bird o ni frog. While si mouse pwede po siya kauna ni owl, ni hawk, o ni fox. While si rabbit po pwede po siya kauna ni hawk o ni fox. Okay? So, nag-XX na ang mga arrow because these are combination. These two food webs here are combination of many food chain. Okay? So, another example of a food web, no? Na diri no si green plant, mao ni siya ang atong producers. And the first animal to eat in the plants are called the primary consumers. O katong nagkaon kang primary consumers, they are called the secondary consumers. O katong nagkaon kang secondary consumers, moto po sila gitawag na secondary consumers. Okay. So, let's go back. Ato ang balikan ang summary. Okay? So, mo know what are the difference between the food chain and the food web? Si food chain, linear, isa lang ka direction. It follows a single path, who eats whom. It's less flexible, dili siya complicated. And we have here an example, grass, deer, and wolf. While si food web is a little complex network of interconnected food chains. So, show multiple feeding relationships. So, daghan kaayo, no? Nagkaon, pwede kaunon si kato na animal po, pwede po kaunon of other animals. So, more flexible, alternative food sources. So, example, grass, deer, si grass, pwede kaunon ni deer, rabbit, o another deer. While kanipod silang deer o rabbit, pwede pod kaunon ni wolf o ni fox. Okay, and that ends my lesson for today sa atong science. I hope you learned something. And please wait for my video para sa atong math lesson. Thank you and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.